In this video, I will walk you through the ultimate showdown between the Govee T3 Pro and the classic Govee Sync box. Starting with the Govee T3 Pro, this system uses a dual-lens camera mounted on top of your screen. It works by scanning the colors on your display and projecting matching light onto the wall behind. The biggest advantage here is compatibility. Because it uses physical cameras, it works with any source including built-in smart apps like Netflix or Disney Plus on your TV. The installation is straightforward, but you will have a small visible camera hanging over the edge of your bezel. On the other hand, we have the Govee Sync box. This device eliminates the need for a camera entirely by using a direct HDMI connection. You plug your gaming consoles or streaming sticks into the box, and it analyzes the signal data to provide perfectly synced lighting with zero latency. The colors are generally more accurate because there is no external light interference from your room. If you value a clean look without a camera and do most of your viewing through external devices, the Sync box is a fantastic choice. But if you want a system that works with every single thing you watch, regardless of the source, the T3 Pro is the way to go. Consider your room lighting and your favorite devices before you make the final leap into immersive lighting.